Hello guys, welcome back. In our last tutorial, we turned a simple 2D logo into a 3D masterpiece inside After Effects with a chromatic look. No plugins required. Today, we are stepping things with a little help from AI. Yes, you heard me right. AI can instantly transform your flat logo into a clean animated 3D design. But here is the twist. While there are tons of AI tools out there, most require extra step, download or complicated workflows, except this one, which I will show you in a moment. So stick around because you will want to see how simple this is.
Please help him get to 10K subscribers this year.
First thing first, you will need a transparent PNG version of your logo. If your logo isn't already transparent, just open it in Photoshop, Illustrator, or even a free online background remover and save it as a PNG. Now, head over to this website. Once you are there, look for a tab that says 3D Logo Generator. Click on that and you are in. On the left, click Upload Image and boom! Within seconds, the site automatically generates a 3D version of your logo, already polished with that sleek chromatic look. No manual modeling, no endless settings, just instant result. Now let's play around with it. On the right, you will see controls for adjusting thickness, changing the background colors, and even starting a rotation animation. Just a few clicks and your flat design suddenly feels alive. On the lower left side, you will find material option. This is where the magic really happens. You can swap out the logo material to completely change its style and mood. Above that, you will also find ready-made animation preset. With one click, your logo can bounce, spin, glow, you name it. Once you are happy with the look and animation, go down to the lower right corner and hit Export. That is it. You now have a ready-to-use 3D logo that you can drop straight inside your video project, or even composite back inside After Effects if you want to push it further. And that is how simple it is to make any logo 3D using AI. In my next video, we will actually compare this AI tool against After Effects side by side to see which one gives us better results. Do you think AI will beat traditional motion graphics? Or will After Effects still hold the crown? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's talk about it. Until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru for Motion Digit Studios.